Oh, we got a fun one today. A little tight. Trying to get her in there. But this is a mess in here. And the only way to clean it up for me is with hydraulics, not my back. I don't know about you, Steve, but I don't want to use my back. So, yeah, we got to end up getting this cleaned out. Pat's got to get out here and fix some block. I don't know what they were doing here. They kind of made it level. It needs to be jacked up some. But they just filled that in. How are you ever going to fill that and make that look right? So I'm going to have Pat come in here, replace that, fill that in, get a lentil in there. We'll frame up for the garage door. But I used to live here. One of the houses my dad had. This looks like I'm going to be fitting in here. Let's see what we can tear up. Nothing ran out. I don't need to reframe it. There's a whole roll of tar paper there.
Yeah. I'm going over to the side just to get down.
Watch yourself.
Number, man, that dirt up in the air. They're like, you gotta make this shit up.
Yeah.
do.
Tell Steve what's in there. Hey, there's a tote in there, and it's full of Coleman, those old Coleman lanterns.
No.
Yeah, go look.
You want that?
I don't want it. How many of them are in there?
Look like it's 2 or 3, maybe.
I think actually, other than it being all wet and dirty,
You want that, Chris? Yeah,
I'm surprised it looks that good. The glasses. No, I don't want that. Every time I go to a garage sale, somebody's got Coleman fluid they're trying to sell at a garage sale. On a cement block. Let's see if it's any from your garage or not. Or is that a regular one? You get it out, or yeah, might as well see if Pat can use it. Tin or something. Oh boy, scrap!
Oh, yeah.
We're making money now.
Pretty good with this machine, Wayne. Good maneuvering skills.
Thank you.
Oh, you are again? Gotta look out to the general public, right?
Yeah. Throw it in there. That was rode in there.
That's a rope.
Yeah. I don't know if we'll ever hit bottom, but I don't know if we'll ever hit bottom, but I keep finding more and more. That was a root that was in there too.
Yeah.
I just keep finding junk. I'm pretty low, I think, into the ground, and it's still hitting stuff. A lot of junk in there.
That's the roof fell in there.
Yeah.
And it's been like that for years. Since I bought the house. Never really, you know what I mean?
They put some of that, just some greenery that got thrown in there, or you think it fell in there?
What happened is when that roof collapsed, I guess they didn't do anything with this. So whatever was in there, when that roof collapsed, the tree fell on it.
Oh, okay, tree fell on it.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
They never do anything with it. I never did anything with it until now.
Oh, drop the chrome.
I got you.
another block.
Yeah. That one looks good too, Dwayne.
I think there's more in there. What's that block right there? Is that anything right there? That little block? Oh, it's like the one that's holding the door open.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see it?
Oh, okay.
They got a line of block right there at the door. I'm trying not to tear that up. I didn't even know it was there. So you say I fit, huh?
Yep, come on in, I'm watching. Looking good.
What's going to happen is it's going to want to go over that ledge.
Gotcha. That's a big box right there. Yep, that's a box.
Maybe I can puncture it.
Come in a little bit more on it.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it now.
Yeah, if it don't fall apart. Yeah, it kind of did. There's another cement block right there. I don't think it's any good though.
Fit through the doors, man.
We'll see. Maybe I can lose a little bit of it. Alright. We can make that work. Plenty of room. Plenty of room.
Man, look at that. How much stone is how much roots through in there, man?
It's a mess.
There's roots everywhere in there.
Yeah. Gonna end up with a trailer load.
Glad you didn't put nothing in there.
Yeah. Who knew? On a basketball hoop.
Where?
It's in there. See it?
I see it.
Probably no good.
I don't know what the hell's in there, Chris.
Got a broom too. You can sweep it out now. Leaving breadcrumbs. Fishing net. Is there any bottom to this? Is there any bottom to this?
Yeah, I think we already went past the bottom. Let me get the block.
I think we're past bottom.
Where those pink cans sitting, that was the bottom. See where those they're sitting? Pink cans?
Yeah. But it looks like we're deeper over there.
Yeah. What
But
happened?
it's still trash. I mean, just still getting out trash.
What it is some groundhogs.
Yeah.
They dig so much dirt up.
Learning to settle.
Yeah.
At least you got a few cement blocks. Like that one looks good.
Oh yeah.
You don't even need to clean any mortar off of that one, hardly.
I'll pull this off to the side.
Yeah, there's like 2 or 3 blocks.
Yeah.
Might as well. Yeah, that's where the ground level was, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and a half courses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, that's even more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and a half courses. So actually, that does need to come down in that corner. That's high. And I'll be the quarry shoot. Can do put gravel in there later or what?
For now, I'd probably just let it sit for what it is, flatten it out and let it sit for now.
We can get some more. I mean, obviously we can clean it out a little better, but I was just looking at a lot of this crap I got here at the end, and it's just like,
Yeah.
you can see it's just a lot of dirt, but it's got a lot of crumbs in it. There's old shingles, and it's all little stuff.
Yeah.
I think we'd be raking through it forever, but let me get in, see if I can get in a little further, get some more. Oh yeah, we got
room.
We got plenty of room up here.
late enough for them.
But you would have thought. You think they'd have gotten a hit by now.
They don't want to leave.
This back corner.
I'll get her with a shovel.
I know you will. It's a game. What can I say? I gotta see how much I can get. That's about it. That's a whole lot better than what you had.
Oh man.
That's a whole lot better.
Yep. I'm telling you.
Thank you, sir. You did a good job. I don't like doing handwork, man. I like that we had so much room to work with.
It's tight.
A little bit. As long as you're happy.
Oh man, that's just luck. Dude, can't even walk in here.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Yes, that is so much better. I didn't think we'd hit gravel. I was kind of surprised we did. Bottle top. Yeah, we got the Paul's bottle. We got some, looks like 7-Up bottle. We got 7/16 wrench or something made in Taiwan, so that couldn't be that old. Found a couple old screwdrivers. Nothing really good, man. Never find nothing good. I keep saying, man, just want to find $1 million once. But I guess it's cool. Probably trash, but an old EQ for a car. Used to have one that had the slides, but this would have lit up and you could just push the up and down button. I'm curious if that thing even works. Dude was into fishing though. I mean, we found parts of fishing poles, we found a net, found a whole bunch of fishing stuff. Nothing really good. It's all trash. You found that one thing for, like, you know, metal thing for holding fish.
Yeah.
I don't know if these are any good. Eagle Claw 1000. They're old. I'm sure they're probably totally obsolete. That one's kind of rusty. All right. Shakespeare.
They were taking all borers underneath here. On the other side over here. Yeah, look at that. That's an old oil can, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep. An old oil can. I didn't leave it there.
Off to the side here. You see where they were?
Oh, where those walls coming down here. Yeah. And dig up underneath there.
And then right here, see?
Oh, yeah. Nice hole. Yep.
I want to fill that in.
Yeah, fill it in and get rid of them guys. And we'll get Pat to get those windows framed up and that, whatever that is. Yeah. Get the EPDM up there and you'll be all set, buddy.
Yeah.
We definitely got a trailer load, more than I thought that was in there. And door hinge. A lot of junk. Well, everybody has WD-40. Speakers, nothing good though. Oh yeah, there was a couple of those Coleman lanterns. You didn't want those. That's about it though. All right, well, till we come back. This is Dwayne, Tricks of the Trades. See ya.